sing, sing, sing. Everybody start to sing, la-di-da, whoa. Now you're messing with the swing. I said sing, 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 sing. Everybody start to sing, la-di-da, whoa. Now you're messing with the swing. When the music goes around, everybody goes to town. Here is something you should know. Whoa, baby, whoa. Sing, 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 sing. Everybody start to sing, la-di-da, whoa. Now you're messing with the swing. Dib-a-dab, ba-dab, ba-dib-a-dib-ba-bow. Skibbity-bee-bop-ba-bop-bop-bop. Dib-a-dab, dib-a-dab, dib-a-dib-ba-bow. Skibbity-bee-bop-ba-bop-bop-bop. Whoa, whoa, na-na-na-na-na. Dib-a-dib-bee-bop-ba-bop-bop-bop. Dib-a-dab, dib-a-dab, dib-a-dib-ba-bow. Dib-a-dab, dib-a-dab, dib-a-dib-ba-bow. Mr. Fabio Neves, ladies and gentlemen, come on! Mr. Patrick Hughes on the saxophone. All right, boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sing, sing, everybody start to sing, la-di-da, whoa. Now you're messing with the swingers and sing, 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 sing. Everybody start to sing, la-di-da, whoa. Now you're messing with the swing. When the music goes around, everybody goes to town. Here is something you should know. Whoa, baby, whoa. Sing, 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 sing. Everybody start to sing, la-di-da, whoa. Now you're messing with the swing. Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing this evening? Are we doing good? Are we here to have a good time? I hope so. I hope so. We go by the name of the Swing Cats. We're delighted to be here, number 22. We got our first special guest on, and we're delighted to have her. You might know her from the Jenny Green and the Orchestra shows. A very acclaimed female vocalist, Miss Gemma Sugru, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much. Are we in the mood for something lovely?
Oh yeah, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this. If you know this one, sing along. All right. Beautiful boys. Here we go. I'm in the mood for love, simply because you're near me. Funny, but when you're near me, I'm in the mood for love.
Heaven is in your eyes, bright as the stars we're under. Ooh, is there any wonder? I'm in the mood for love.
Why stop to think of whether this little dream might fade?
We put our hearts together when we are one. I'm not afraid.
And if there's a cloud above, and if it should rain, then let it. But for tonight, forget it. I'm in the mood for love. Yeah. Beautiful. I hope the flight wasn't too bumpy on the way over, was it? Is it okay? You made it okay? You got your baggage?
Anything for you.
Thank you very much. Delighted to have you. Yeah. Beautiful. Why stop to think of whether this little dream might fade?
We put our hearts together.
Wow.
When we are one,
as a cloud above. And if it should rain, then let it. But for tonight, forget it. I'm in the mood for love. Yeah. Oh. All right. Come on, what about this, ladies and gentlemen?
Thank you for having me. What a beautiful audience. Thank you so much. Luke and the Swing Cats, ladies and gentlemen.
Give it up for Gemma one more time. What about that? All the way from London, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. All right. We started up. Come on, boys. You gotta... I brought my friends along. How come they get a clap for doing nothing but walking forward? Are you ready, boys? In your own time, start your sway. Oh, they've been practicing for weeks for this? You're in for a treat. You guys are in for a treat. Oh, yeah. All right, I'll try and lock into this as well. All right, here we go. When you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you. When you're laughing, the sun will come shining through. When you're crying, you bring on the rain. Stop your sighing, I'll be happy again. When you're smiling, keep on smiling, and the whole world smiling. Children on my mess, mama, me, mama, da. Figatone, masacone, mama, me, mama, da. Figatone, malabone, mama, me, mama, da. Figatone, masacone, patabolga, la la la. Oh mama, zuma zuma matala. Oh mama, mama, oh mama, zuma zuma matala. Oh mama, mama, oh mama, zuma zuma matala. Billy bop, billy bop, billy bop, billy bop. Ziba, aba, oba, eba, ama, oba, aba, eba. Hey mama, hey mama, hey party, hey party. Billy bop, billy bop, billy bop, billy bop. Oh, we get the sway going again, lads. Come on. We're nearly there. All right. Oh, Marie. Oh, Marie. In your arms, I'm longing to be. Oh, baby. Tell me you love me. Kiss me once while the stars shine above me. Oh, Marie. Oh, Patty. In your arms, I'm longing to be. Oh, baby. Tell me you love me. Oh, Marie, oh, Marie, oh, Marie. All right, Patty. Are you ready for this? Oh, Marie. Oh, Marie. Fraccia sono. Zabadumi. 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 Oh, no, donna. What's the matter, Patty? You can't play in Italian? In your arms, I'm longing to be. Oh, baby, 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 tell me you love me. Oh, Marie. Come on, Patty, let's do it. Yeah. news, ladies and gentlemen. What about that? You were laughing a second ago. Now you want to get up, don't you? Oh, go on. Oh. I can't line dance, so I'm no use to you. But I know you know the words to this one anyway, don't you, ladies? I know, here we go. Every night I sit upon my window, staring down a lonely avenue, watching lovers holding hands and laughing, thinking about the things we used to do. All together now. I think about things like a walk in the park. I said things like kissing a die, things like a sailboat ride, things like a lover's vow, things we don't do now. Thinking about the things we used to do. Memories are all I have to cling to, and heartaches are the friends I'm talking to. When I'm not thinking about how much I love you, well, I'm thinking about the things we used to do. Come on now, folks. Well, think about things like a walk in the park. I said things like a kiss and a dive, things like a sailboat ride, things like a lover's vow, things we don't do now. Thinking about the things we used to do. One more time. I can hear the jukebox softly playing, and all the songs we used to listen to. When I'm not thinking about how much I love you, well, I'm thinking about the things we used to do. Last time at Feelings, here we go. I'll think about things like a walk in the park. I said things like a kiss and a die, things like a sailboat ride, things like a lover's vow, things you don't do now. Thinking about the things we used to do. And heartaches are the friends I'm talking to. Well, I'm thinking about the things we used to do. Oh yeah, all right. You're in fine singing voice this evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, this man is an absolute legend, a legend of a man. And the show band king, please welcome on stage, Mr. Paddy Cole!
Well, I tell you, I need you all to clap your hands, join in with me. I'm not a great singer and I've records to prove it.
Let's do it.
the swingers. I'm a jungle VIP. I've reached the top and I can't stop. That's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cook. Stroll right into town. Be like all the other kids. Tired of it. Here we go. I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you. And if like me, can't learn to be human too. Don't you cheat me, man cook. I got news for you. What I desire is men's red fire to make my dreams come true. Give me the secret, man cook. To do me what I do. Give me the power of men's red flower. And I can be, here we go. I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you. And if like me, can't learn to be human too. The king of the swingers. I'm a jungle VIP. I've reached the top and I can't stop. That's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cook. Stroll right into town. Be like all those other kids. Tired of fooling around. I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you. And if like me, can learn to be human too. Don't you kid me, man cook. I got news for you. What I desire is men's red fire to make my dreams come true. Give me the secret, man cook. To do me what I do. Give me the power of men's red flower. And I can be like you. Oh, what that to be. I wanna walk like you, talk like you. And if like me, can't learn to be human.
Ladies and gentlemen, Paddy Cole, what about that? Absolutely legendary. Thank you so much. Thank you. Paddy Cole, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Wow. Now that's a dream come true for us, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep the ball rolling. Let's keep the ball rolling. Come on. Have we any Dean Martin fans in the house? You're in the right place, so aren't you? Let's do it. Do you know what this one is, do you? Don't just say yes, and if you don't know it, there's no you. That's wine. Close enough. A trailer's for sailoring. I can go home. Pool, no pets. 2 hours of pushing broom, lies an 8 by 12 4-bedroom. Mama, man of means by what's my name? Vodka backs midnight train. Destination Beggar Main. All on out boots boots and shoes. We got confused there, didn't we? Sure, but not to play around. I'm a man of means by no means. What's my name? King of the road. I'm a man of means by no means. Last time I'd feeling a bit of gusto. Man of means by no means. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Oh, how's the dancing going now? It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry. I wanna die. Wow. It's not unusual to go out at any time. But when I see you out and about, it's such a crime. You should ever wanna be loved by anyone. It's not unusual, it happens every day. No matter what they say, you'll find it happens all the time. Love will never do, but just what you wanna do. Oh, why can't this crazy love be more? Alright, alright, alright. Yeah. Come on. Alright. Wow. Let's go, baby. Did you all come from Dundalk? Who came from Dundalk? Drogheda. Drogheda. Excuse me, Drogheda. Alright, alright. Here we go, here we go. Alright. It's not unusual to be mad with anyone. It's not unusual to be sad with anyone. But if I ever find that you changed at any time, it's not unusual to find that I'm in love with you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nah, 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 nah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Alright, alright. We're just getting warmed up. There's no show like a Joe show. Alright. When God created a woman for me, He must have been in a beautiful mood to find an angel as lovely as you. I know exactly what to do. He made the sun shine right out of your eyes. Yeah. He made the moon glow from under your. He took the soft summer breeze into your smile, so you can breathe it high in the air. Hands in the air, let me hear you sing. Woman, yeah. When people stop, when people stare, you know it fills my heart with pride. There's no surprise, it's in the rise. It feels like she's walked right out of heaven. So if you're looking at what they are talking about, they're talking about who is walking about with an angel by his side. Up there in heaven, I bet they are mad. I bet they don't even know why an angel as lovely as you was unable to fly. Do you know what they had forgotten to do? Out there where they make all those beautiful things, they made an angel angel as lovely as you. But they had forgotten to fit her with wings. Hands in the air, ladies, let's do it. Looking woman, yeah. People stop, people stare. You know it fills my heart with pride. There's no surprise, it's in her eyes. It feels like she's walked right out of heaven. So if you're looking at what they're talking about who is walking about with an angel by his side. Mr. Ponticus, get out here to the front. Get out here, get out here. Come on, get out there, get out there. Come on. Don't be shy. The lead will go, the lead will go. One last time with the chorus, here we go. Oh me. Looking woman, yeah. People stop, people stare. You know it fills my heart with pride. There's no surprise, it's in her eyes. It feels like she's walked right out of heaven. So if you're looking at what they are talking about, they're talking about who is walking about with an angel by his side. Such a good-looking woman. Ooh, she's a good-looking woman. Oh, a good-looking woman. Yeah, a good-looking woman. I knew a man, Bojangles, and he'll dance for you. In worn-out shoes, silver hair, ragged shirt, and baggy pants. He would do the old soft shoe. He would jump so high, then hit lightly, touchdown. Told me of a time when he worked with minstrel shows, traveling throughout the South, spoke with tears for 50 years. I was dogging him. They would travel about but his dog up and died. Gone up and died. And after 20 years, he still grieves. He said, I dance now and every chance a honky tonks for my drinks and tips. But most of the time I spend behind these county walls. You see, son, I drink some beer. Then he shook his head. Oh Lord, oh, when he shook his head, I remember I heard somebody saying, please, please, that's Mr. Bojangles. Calling Mr. Bojangles. Oh, Mr. Bojangles, come back and dance, and dance, and dance, please, dance. Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, come back and dance, and dance, and dance, please, yeah. Come back and dance again, Mr. Bojangles. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. One of my favorite songs to perform. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm absolutely excited, delighted, honored to welcome this next man on stage. He's a living legend. He has had a hit in the last six consecutive decades. He might be able to elaborate a bit on that. And he's a songwriter legend, and he has been so kind to do this for us. And please welcome on stage. Give a huge welcome to Mr. Phil Coulter, ladies and gentlemen. Why not this? Mr. Phil Coulter, absolute legend. Look at this. The stage is yours, sir.
Well, thank you so much for the warmth of your welcome. Well, I've played in the Royal Albert Hall in London. I've played in the Opera House in Sydney. I've played in Carnegie Hall in New York. I finally made it to number 22, South Anstey. When Luke invited me to be part of this, I had no hesitation because I've become a fan of Luke's. I think he's a great talent. I think he's just a super guy. And it's always a pleasure when you're at my end of the business to see a talent like Luke emerging from the new crop of singers. It's a couple of years ago since I celebrated 50 years in the music business. Yeah. And when you reach a kind of a milestone like that as a songwriter, you look back on 50 years in music, and you look back at the highs and the lows. You look back on your own life and the highs and the lows, and you think, well, overall, it hasn't been a bad deal. So in that kind of a reflective frame of mind, I wrote this next song. This is called Thank God That This Was My Life. I have lived and I have loved, and I have had my failed romances, taken all that life can give, and taken my fair share of chances. I've known just how it is to win, and I have felt the pain of losing. Some paths I chose would end in tears, but they were all of my own choosing. It's been a good life, far from the high life. And I thank God that this was my life. Some days I prayed would never end, but there were days I felt like screaming. But through the darkness and the tears, nothing could ever stop my dreaming. It's been a good life, far from the high life. And I thank God that this was my life. I've known contentment in a lover's arms and felt the warmth of her devotion. And I've known heartache and a dark despair that was as deep as any ocean. But we get the strength to carry on and build a life of our own making. I thank the Lord for each new day and for every breath that I am taking. Looking back on all the years, the loves, the sweetness and the sorrow, they've made me what I am today. And I'll do it all again tomorrow. It's been a good life, far from the high life. And I thank God that this was my life. We can't deny life, how it flies by, life. And I thank God that this was my life. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, if there are any Eurovision fans, this will take you back. This is yeah. Well, this I'm going to be joined by the great Luke here. It's a bit before his time. A bit before his time. See if you remember these. I wonder if one day that you'll say that you care. If you say you love me madly, I'll gladly be there like a puppet on a string.
Let's see the hands clapping, folks. Come on.
Love is just like a merry-go-round. You remember all the fun of the fair. One day I'm feeling down on the ground, then I'm up in the air.
Are you leading me on? Tomorrow will you be gone? Here we go.
I wonder if one day that you'll say that you care. If you say you love me madly, I'll gladly be there like a puppet on a string. Like a puppet on a...
Whoa.
Congratulations.
Let's see the hands swaying.
And celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented.
But that was in the bad old days before I met you. Before I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Congratulations. Let's see the house swing. And celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Phil Coulter, a living legend. Are you ready to keep singing along? I think you're in a good singing mood. We're going to do this one from Andy Williams. I think you know what it is already. Kick it off there. We'll start with the piano on this one. Let's go. And I remember a couple of years ago when I was in Vicar Street, Dolores, I danced with you with this one, and I'm going to come down in a moment. You're just too good to be true. I can't take my eyes off you. You feel like I want now long last love is arrived. I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Beautiful. Can't take my eyes. Who knows the second verse? Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you makes me weak. Ooh. There are no words left to speak. And if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes. Number 22, let's see the hands in the air. This is your part. Just to just too good to be true. Good to see you again, Ken. Let's see the hands in the air, boys. Let's do it. Yeah. I can't see everyone's hands in the air. Come on. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. You want the lonely night. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray, oh, pretty baby. Now that I love you, stay and let me love you, baby. Honey, on a solo. Get out there, Patty. They want to see you. They want to see you. They want to see you, Patty. Come on. Hands in the air! Last time, 1, 2, 3, 4. I love you, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To want the lonely night, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray, oh, pretty baby. Now that I love you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. We only got a few songs left, folks. It's time to party. Let's do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody to love. Someone to love. Sweet on the meals. Sugar to kiss. And I need you, I need you, I need you, I need you, yeah. Sometimes I feel a little down inside. When I ever streets me out, never got a place, and I need you. 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 Sing it if you know it, folks. Bring it down. Everybody. To love. Someone to love. Sweet on the mix. Sugar to kiss. And I need you. Yeah, sometimes I feel a little down inside. When the river streets me, never got a place, and I need you. 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 Get out here, baby. Honey, he's getting his fair share today, this fella. Mr. Tully, let's do it. switch it over. Let's switch it over. Give me that riff. Come on, Kai. Give me that riff. She said, now don't look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said, you're holding back. She said, this woman is my destiny. I said, shut up and dance with me. Don't look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said, you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. I said, right down. I need you, sing it with me. A little louder, a little louder, a little louder. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need team here at 22 and everyone that came out to support us. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York. These vagabond shoes are longing to stray right through the very heart of it. New York, New York. I want to wake up in a city that doesn't sleep, to find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap. These little town blues do are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you, New York, New York. Let's see the legs in the air, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see the legs in the air. Here we go. To find I'm a number one, top of the list, king of the hill, a number one. Hands in the air. Sing it with me. Give me a key there. These little town blues. Beautiful, absolutely amazing.